Hello and welcome to TM Atlantic channel. On this channel we talk about designing electronic circuits as well as diagnosing and repairing electronic and electrical equipment. Today we're unboxing the ASE-4313 Soldering and Hot Air Workstation to see what's inside the box and what the station has to offer.
Right away, we see the protective foam insert that keeps all components secure during shipping. Under the foam is the main control unit of the ASE-4313, safely seated in its custom packaging. First out of the box is the main control station. The heavyweight base station is the heart of the system, featuring the digital display, temperature and airflow controls, tool connections and power switches. Attached to it is the hot air rework handle with its flexible air hose and metal nozzle. This tool is used for SMD Rework, desoldering and precision heat applications. Now we go back to the box to remove the remaining accessories and tools. Next is the soldering iron handle, designed for precise soldering work and fine tip control. Here we have the soldering iron stand, where the iron will safely rest during operation. We also have a cleaning sponge, used to keep the soldering tip clean for optimal performance. Next is the desoldering iron handle, which combines heat with a vacuum suction system. Similar to the soldering iron, we also have a cleaning sponge for the desoldering, also used to keep the soldering tip clean. Here is the set of hot air nozzles. This attach to the hot air gun and allow you to control airflow and heat concentration for different component sizes. Grounding wire, rubber mat, soldering iron tip cleaning spring, soldering tip cleaner reamer, iron tip interchangeable heads, desoldering tips, desoldering filters, and finally, folding set of tip cleaners, also known as torch tip cleaners. Now all components of the ASE-4313 are laid out and ready for setup. The main control unit, hot air handle, soldering iron, stand, sponge, nozzle set.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found this unboxing useful. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let us know in the comments what tools you'd like us to test next. We'll do our best to cover them in future videos. Bye bye and see you next time.